Some more Royal Albert to show you. Lavender Rose is the pattern, made between, we think, 1961 and 2008. Lovely pink rose design with this lavender foliage on the garlands around it. Nice montrose shape. This is the larger of the two sugar bowls they made. Did make a coffee set in this, so you can get the demi-tasse little coffee cups and a smaller half-size sugar bowl. Nice first quality Royal Albert China mark on the base there, and this one's in absolutely mint condition. Really bright, good gilt all around the rims. No condition notes on this one at all. Lovely little piece, very pretty. Little sugar basin. If you're not using sugar basin in your tea set, then these are ideal for general table use. Nibbles, olives, crisps, peanuts, those type of things. Brought to the table in one of these. Puts a new dimension on your snacking, doesn't it? Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. This sugar bowl is part of a set. We've got trios, a small teapot and a milk jug being listed in this design currently. So do have a browse through the website on the search term Lavender Rose. Thanks for watching.